If you're looking to learn how to send candidate emails on Top Echelon quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your email campaigns running in Top Echelon, whether you're new to the software or just need a refresher. Stick around to the end for an exclusive bonus on how to use Top Echelon with an extended free trial, something you won't find anywhere else. First off, to send candidate emails, you need to access your candidate profile in Top Echelon. Once you're logged in, go ahead and head to your candidate list or search for a candidate you'd like to contact. You'll see options to manage your candidates, and sending an email is just one click away. Click on the candidate's name to open their profile. On the right side of the profile page, you'll find the Send Email button. It's located right under their contact information. Clicking that opens up the email interface, which is where you can compose and send your message. The next thing you'll notice is the email template feature. Top Echelon offers pre-built email templates, which save you a lot of time if you're sending similar messages to multiple candidates. These templates can be customized with placeholders for the candidate's name, job title, or other specific details, ensuring that each email feels personalized. If you're not using a template, you can simply type your email directly into the provided text box. You'll also see a place to include any attachments you might need, whether it's a resume or job description. It's always a good idea to attach relevant documents to keep the communication professional and organized. Once your email is ready, take a moment to review it. Top Echelon's interface is clean, making it easy to check for typos or any missing information. You can also adjust the subject line before sending. If you're sending this email to multiple candidates at once, Top Echelon allows for bulk sending, which can really streamline your process when you have a large candidate pool. Before hitting send, be sure to select any follow-up options that Top Echelon gives you. This allows you to set reminders for follow-up emails, which can be a lifesaver in the recruiting world. Set the frequency of your follow-up emails to ensure no candidate slips through the cracks. Now, if you're someone who's just starting with Top Echelon, you might be wondering about their free trial offer. Well, you're in luck. You can access Top Echelon for free using the first link in the description below. It's an exclusive offer with some additional bonuses that'll make your experience even smoother. Trust me, after seeing how easy it is to send candidate emails on Top Echelon, you'll be hooked. By now, you've learned how to navigate Top Echelon's candidate emailing system and send personalized emails efficiently. Remember, whether you're using templates, attaching files, or setting follow-up reminders, Top Echelon has you covered every step of the way. Before you go, make sure to check out that link below for your extended free trial. You can explore all of the features at your own pace with no pressure.